Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see Street View in Google Maps on your Android phone or even your iOS device. So this is actually really easy to do. I'm just going to back out here by pressing the X, and here's my map. All you need to do is plant your pin, and then you should be able to get this little icon down here, and you can just tap that icon for Street View. So I'm just scrolling around Cebu. We can go over to Dumaguete City right here in the Philippines, and let's plant our flag. Let's go to McDonald's here. So you might be able to tap on the location as well, or just hold down on the map. Then you can see Street View right here, and we can tap Street View. And is this McDonald's right here? We can scroll around and just see if we can find McDonald's. That's City, is that City Hardware or something like that, or City Cinema? Not sure. But you can use the little arrows just like you do on your computer to scroll around. And then we can expand this, make it smaller. And then we still have the option right here. Anywhere in the blue you can just teleport to. And this will allow you to go to that location on Street View. So you can see the last date was updated, September 2022. And then we can go on over here and check this out as well. So it's very easy to see Street View. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.